So hi again, this is Jeff with MCW LLC. Wanted to go over a thermal photograph solar inspection I did with one of our flagship thermal drones. Now the drone is 640 by 512, but it has a digital enhanced resolution that just makes everything look awesome. Now we do use FLIR tools for all of our outputs, but I just wanted to show you the resolution and the clarity that this camera has to offer. Again, this is our flagship thermal camera, and this is a residential solar panel. It's obviously got two strings of cells that are bad, or starting to go bad. So let me show you the temperature differential here. So we're going to spot meter this. So we're at 158.6 degrees. The ambient temperature is 84 degrees. Reflective temp 77. Distance we were away was 20 feet. So I'm going to spot meter here. And then I'm going to spot meter on the same panel, but cells as normal as all the others. And we're getting a little over a 10-degree split. So these cells are abnormal, and they are actually robbing energy from the other PV cells around them that are working correctly. I've seen much worse, and obviously I've seen better. But this is a situation where, your inspection, you can warn them that, for the most part, everything is functioning as normal, but you do have two strings of cells that are downgrading, and somebody needs to take a look and investigate. And then, so what I do is I use this. So I'll import. Let's say I do a mapping project where I got hundreds of photos. What I'll do is I'll batch process them in here, send that to FLIR Tools. FLIR Tools Studio Pro has many more options, and then I'll batch process that throughout that, and then use it in a mapping software that reads our JPEGs, radiometric JPEGs. So, but I just wanted to show off the 640 by 512 with the digital enhancement, as I haven't seen too many 640 by 512s look as nice as this does. So, again, thank you, Jeff with MCW LLC.